How to delete pages in MS Word on mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can delete pages on MS Word on mobile. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to delete pages on MS Word on mobile, if you're looking for that tutorial, this is the right video for you. So you're just gonna head over to the MS Word application on your device. After that, you're just gonna click on the project, the MS Word project that you want to delete the page from. This one right here, I've clicked on this page here. In here you can see I have about 5 pages here. So let's say I want to delete one of the 2 pages of this. So let's go on with the process and how we can do it. So you're just gonna simply click on one of the pages. Let me just click on it and let me just zoom in, and here just gonna long press on this blue icon with a pen. Just long press on it and you're just gonna do it. After that is done, you can see this Caesar icon very easily. Just cut it up, and when that is done, you can see I have only 4 pages, which means one of my pages has been deleted. So you're just gonna long press, type in, cross it out, long press, and you're gonna make this bubble longer. After that is done, you're just gonna select and you can see the Caesar icon, and when you look again, you can see I have only 3 pages left. So therefore that's how you delete pages on your MS Word on mobile. So just follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.